Interested in crypto? SoFi Crypto lets you buy, sell, and hold popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum right within the same app you use for banking. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, you need to enable the crypto feature. In the SoFi app, go to Crypto and follow the prompts to set up your account. You'll need to agree to the terms and acknowledge the risks. Once set up, you can place an order. Search for the crypto, like Bitcoin, enter the dollar amount you want to buy, and submit. SoFi acts as the custodian, holding the crypto for you securely. My crucial pro tip: understand this is for investing, not spending. You cannot transfer crypto out of SoFi to an external wallet. It's a buy, sell, hold platform within their ecosystem. This is simpler and more secure for beginners, but less flexible than a full crypto exchange if you want to use your coins elsewhere. Dip your toes into digital assets within a familiar, regulated platform. Are you using a traditional fintech app for crypto or a dedicated exchange? For more guides on modern asset classes, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.